So here's how to get new user discount on Temu. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. And here on the Temu app, you can tap on the search bar and paste in my code in order to get items with big discounts. And if you are a new user, you will get to see this new user gift. Just tap on Get. You will then be taken to this page. Over here, scroll through the items and tap on Pick on whichever one that you want. This way, you can select multiple items. And if any of them have different variants, you can choose whichever variant or color options that you want as well. After that, just tap on Checkout on the bottom here. Then on the checkout page, you need to put in and confirm all of your information. Once done, just go through the information on this page and make sure they're correct. And if everything looks good, just go over to the bottom right corner and tap on Submit Order, and your order will be confirmed. And that's it. That is exactly how to get new user discount on Temu.